Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So to start off this video, I'd like to ask you a little question. Would you like to have this salary? For example, this salary it's about to or more than $100,000 annually. So I think if you would like to have that, then this career as the AI engineer can be your consideration. So here in this video, I'd like to show you also the roles and responsibility and also the roadmap how to be the AI engineer. So without any further ado, and let's get into the video. So here I'm using the black box AI and also the DeepSeek to help me to find out what is the roadmap to become this AI engineer. As you can see that there is a huge wage that you will receive as the AI engineer. And also if you would like to know the roles and responsibility, then you can simply find it into your favorite AI. For example, I will show you the key roles and responsibility of this AI engineer. For example, you need to do or you will do the designing and building the AI system. And after that, to be the AI engineer, you will responsible to do the data engineering and managing. And after that, you will do the model deployment, and after that you will do the machine learning operations, and after that there will be the performing the optimization and scaling, collaboration and translation. So what's the roadmap in case that you would like to become the AI engineer? So in this AI, you can start to ask about this roadmap that contains about the skills and also the tools that you need to master on. For example, here I asked this AI to create the roadmap that what you need to be prepared in 1 year ahead to be mastering several tools and also skills that you need to be an AI engineer. So the first step you can do is you can start to learn the foundational prerequisites over here. What is that? So the first step you can do, you need to master about the programming and also the mathematics and statistics and also the software engineering basic. And the phase 2 that will be in the third until the next month ahead, you will need to machine learning fundamentals and also the data wrangling and evaluation. And the phase 3, you will need the deep learning and specialization. For example, you will need to learn about the deep learning fundamentals and also the specialized architecture in the month of 4th until 8th. And after that, in the 4th phase, you will need to learn about the AI engineering and machine learning operation. And this can be the key of differentiator. As you can see here, what you need to learn is about the deployment and API and also the machine learning operations. And after that, you will start to practice it and create a portfolio and try to apply a job for it. And if you would like to know about the detailed roadmap, so here I have prepared it for you. This is the non-negotiable foundation that you need to master on the phase first in the first phase. There are the skill category and what to learn, and also the tools and library. And don't worry, because there will be contains the free platforms and resources to learn about this every single skill. So in the AI, you can ask to give the detail about the skill, tools, and the free platforms to develop and enhance the skill itself. There are the skills on the every phase. It's like in the first phase, second phase, third phase, and also the fourth phase, and the fifth phase. As you can see here, for example, in the fifth phase, you will need to learn about building the portfolio, and it will going to the end of the project. And the platform or the free platform that you can visit to is about this GitHub, Kaggle, and Hugging Face. And after that, you need to do the writing and communicate it. It's like you would like to practice to present about what you have or what skill that you have already mastered on. Then you can share it into the Medium or this Dev too. Or also if you have your own website, so it can be the media to share about the knowledge that you have. And after that, you will need to prepare everything to do the interview. And also this is the summary of a lot of this roadmap. And also don't worry, because you can ask this roadmap into this black box AI. For example, I have prepared it for you. There are the fundamental knowledge, such as the mathematics. It is same with this DeepSeek, and also the programming. And after that, you need to master this computer science fundamental, the machine learning, the data handling, specialization areas, and do the project and practical experiences to add more experience. And you need to do is stay updated and have the network to add more values, and also can be the media to share your knowledge into your community. And you need to get informed about the advanced topic and start to do the job preparation and continuous learning, because as you know that technology and knowledge, it's not a stop phase, but will always be updated through the years. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to explore more about this job of the AI engineering, and I believe that you will have the better career and better job to manage everything well. And also please don't forget to use the AI as the media to level up your skill and also level up your quality of life. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.